I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi guys, good morning. Going to Sagada. Hi guys, nag-aantay kami ng sunrise. It's already 8:30 and nag-stop over kami para mag-breakfast and hindi ko alam kung saan yung exact place na pinag-stop over namin. Pero, sinek ko yung Waze. 1 hour na lang. Then, nasa Sagada na kami. I don't know kung saan kami unang pupunta. So, I'll update you guys. Yay! Bayad na kami!
Bayad ka para saan?
So, yung una naming binayaran is yung environmental fee that cost 50 pesos each.
We're going to eat a ball. Hi, Tia.
Again.
That's Kuya Erwin, our driver.
Pupunta tayo ng Bumagok Falls. Hi, madam! May basa si Kuya.
His name is Kuya Earl. Siya yung pinakaunang nag-accommodate sa amin. What is nice about those tour guides is they will help you to figure out where you can go on your whole stay in Sagada. Before you enter a tourist attraction, you will show the receipt to any officials. The man in blue is Kuya Robert. He is our tour guide and he is also the younger brother of Kuya Earl. First stop namin ay St. Mary's Church. According to Kuya Robert, St. Mary's Church is the first church that was built in Sagada. It was built way back 1909. It is also an Anglican church.
Bawal dito magdala ng plastic bottle.
In this part, ipapakita nyo yung receipt na pinagbayaran nyo nung nagbayad kayo ng environmental fee. Meron ding mga tourist attractions na kailangan nyo magbayad ng access fee para makapasok.
So, start na kami ng trekking. Kuya, ilang hours itong trekking?
Hanggang
2 to 3 hours.
Oo, masundo.
Yung dadaanan namin papuntang Eco Valley ay Libby.
That's the modern way down ng paglilibing sa Sagada. Na-mention din ni Kuya Robert yung isang sa 44 na kababayan daw nila.
Hi, fans!
Hanging coffin. Ito yung old way nila ng paglilibing sa Sagada.
Yung paniniwala nila is since years nila baby your mother from na capital position ka. Tapos yung nanay mo, yung buntis niya yan.
Ay, babalik siya. Parang gano'n.
Ngayon, ibabalik ka sa Mother Earth na hindi po 6 feet under. And main purpose na po is yung sunlight po. Sinong bata ka pa kaya?
Siya yung nasunod ulit yan. Tapos ka...
Kaya yung araw pa ganun.
So it's the same, putting them here sa cliff at saka sa cave is the same. Yung purpose niya is light.
Nakalaki yung ano. Madami pa pa. Kuya, ano cave to?
Latang.
Latang.
Ano ba?
Pagod na ako. Caving na tayo. Ang dilim. Lamig dito, masarap dito sa cave. Wow! So guys, uy, ang galing. Ano to?
After caving, ang next naman naming stop ay ang Bokong Falls. Next naman namin ay ang Sagada Weaving Station, which is bawal mag-vlog.
So, bumalik nga pala kami dito sa homestay namin kasi nagpalit kami and 1 hour yung binigay ng tour guide namin para makapag-rest na din. And ngayon naman may pupuntahan tayo lake. Doon tayo mag-aantay ng sunset.
Hi! Yay! This is fun! And after 10 minutes, narating na namin ang Sagada Pottery.
Welcome po sa pottery. Ang pottery po na ito, nagsimula po siya noong year 2000 by R.G.S. Stapleton. Amerikano siya na napadpad dito ng 1960s. Nakita po kasi niya ang potential ng aming raw materials, kaya nung bumalik siya sa States at naging potter, bumalik po ulit siya dito noong year 2000. Okay? So, ang unang-una ko pong gagawin, isesentro ko muna ang clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of the units. The very basic shape that I would have to do is a cylinder. So, cylinder at cylinder ang una, and then we will shape it to another shape. At para gawin ang cylinder, lalagyan natin siya ng butas sa pinaka-center, and then from there, itataas po naman natin ang clay.
hindi na ako nagpahuli kaya sinubukan ko na din.
That's your mangkok. Very good.
Next stop, Lake Danum. From Lake Danum, naglakad lang kami ng konti para marating namin ang great spot para sa sunset.